So we have T, as I told earlier, PM, mechanical power output, must be equal to what? Omega into TA, the power output. What is the electrical equivalent of mechanical power? That is EB into IA is equal to omega into TA. Omega into TA. So what is omega? Omega is equal to 2 pi n divided by 60. 2 pi n divided by 60. N is the speed in RPM. So how omega we have derived? Radians per second. How we have derived? It is very simple. What is torque? Torque is equal to the turning moment, as I have already told. It is given by F into R, Newton meter. Newton meter. The work done by the armature in one revolution, that is W is equal to work done is equal to F into force into displacement. Force into displacement is what? 2 pi R. 2 pi R, the circumference. So radius of the armature. So 2 pi R. Now what is the power developed in 1 second? Power developed in 1 second. So sorry, power developed is equal to work done in 1 second. Sorry, work done divided by time is equal to power. What is power? Work done in 1 second. So what is the work done in 1 second? F into 2 pi R. F into 2 pi R in 1 second. In 1 second means how many revolutions it will do. N is in revolutions per minute, not in per second. But I need work per second. In one revolution, how much power is developed in 1 second? That is N divided by 60. Okay, N divided by 60 rotations, in 1 second, this much power is developed. In 1 second, N by 60 rotations will be taking place. In 1 second, N by 60 rotations. So that's why I am multiplying this. In N by 60 rotation, this is the power developed. That is nothing but in 1 second it is developed. Okay, don't get confused. Now, so P is equal to F into R is what? T A, can I write? F into R. Next, 2 pi into N divided by 60. 2 pi N into divided by 60 is equal to so and so watts. So work done is watt second. So and so watts. So that's what I have written here. So this is omega into TA. So what is PM? PM is equal to EB into IA. What is the formula for EB? EB is equal to 5Z NP divided by 60A into IA is equal to 2 pi N divided by 60 into TA. Right? Now I want TA. TA is equal to 60 into 5 into Z into NP into IA divided by 60 into A into 2 into pi into N. Can I write like this? So N cancels. Okay, 60 cancels. Next, 2 pi will not cancel. So what remaining? TA is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi. In the denominator, A is remaining. 1 divided by 2 pi into 5 into Z into IA in the numerator, and one more is remaining is P divided by A. P divided by A into so and so Newton meter. So 1 by 2 pi can also be written like 1 by 2 pi is also written like TA is equal to 0.159 into 5 into Z into IA into P by A Newton meter. You have to memorize this formula. 0.159 into or 1 by 2 pi into 5 into Z into IA into P by A. 5 into Z into IA into P by A divided by P by A into Newton meter. So this is the torque equation. This is the torque equation. Actual armature torque developed. Okay. So next we have this is the net armature torque that is developed it is a theoretical torque, but due to losses in the armature, some torque is lost. Some torque is lost, that is given by TL, sorry, that is torque lost. So now TA minus TL is the net available torque at the shaft, at the motor shaft. That is the net available torque, mechanical torque available. So shaft torque is always less than the armature torque. Shaft torque is always less than the armature torque. And we have seen the armature torque is given by 1 by 2 pi into phi into Z into Ia into P by A divided E into Newton meter. But TL is the torque that is lost due to the armature resistance drop. I have told, means due to losses. So next, what is TSH? TSH is equal to TA minus TL, that we know. Usually TSH, usually we know this formula. P is equal to PM. The net mechanical power output must be equal to omega into TA. So omega into TA. So what is not TA? In general, TSH we have to write, because mechanical power output there. Okay, TA is the theoretical power. TA is the net armature power that is developed. So PM is equal to omega into TSH. So TSH is equal to PM divided by omega. So usually the output of the motor is specified, the rating of the motor is specified in watts. So motor output, rating of the motor output in watts divided by 2 pi n divided by 60. This formula, so and so Newton meter, this formula we will be repeatedly using in solving the numerical problems. This is very much important formula. Okay, one more TSH. Sometimes the rating of the motors are specified in HP, not all the times watts. So if it is specified in HP, motor output in HP into, we have to convert this into watts. So HP into 7, HP is not an SI unit. So HP into 735.5, 1 HP is equal to 735.5 watts divided by 2 pi n divided by 60. These two formulas are used repeatedly in addition to this formula. So all these three formula you have to memorize. Thank you.